If there is one task that I could describe as the most difficult for moms, it would be to handle these tiny tots without the help of any gadgets or such incentives. So as I was saying and discussing, that toddler problems are genuinely something that's the top concern of most moms that I meet. I have this amazing solution to your woes, okay? So this is the homeschooling kit by Eurokids, and I have checked it out. It is one of the most comprehensive, scientifically designed and very inclusive kit that is going to keep your toddlers busy throughout the day. Now we all know Eurokids is a big name when it comes to play schools and kids learning, and this kit is no less. Trust me, it's one step ahead. It has been very, very, very carefully designed by professionals, and it has so many amazing activities that your child is going to just learn offline. That is the biggest advantage. There is nothing online here. It's completely offline and no screen time, which is, yes, a big concern for parents today, because with the studies being shifted to online mode, the screen time has increased. It's inevitable. But this kit, guys, this kit is your getaway, and for the kids' eyesight as well, and for their brains. Oh yeah, without bragging much about it now, I'm just going to unveil the contents to you. All right, this has nursery stories. All right, you can just give them these stories for the bedtime. This is a memories book, okay? Like your child can paste and write, and all those things that they've been, like this has words that they use more often. Yes, this one was what my nephew loved the most. Okay, this is like a spotlight activity, and the kids have to spot things, and it's going to increase their attentiveness. Look at this. Wow. They are top quality stuff. Trust me, I mean, you will be surprised when you see that these people have invested a lot of time and money thinking and figuring out how actually to keep the kids hooked to it. Alright.
So when I introduced this kit to my nephew and niece, trust me, their moms were more than happy to see their kids learn and stay away from the screen.
I mean, वैसे ही सारा दिन मम्मास लगी रहती है यार कि बच्चे फ़ोन में घुसे हुए हैं या लैपटॉप की स्क्रीन देख रहे हैं. I mean, for studies it's okay, but yeah, for toddlers this is it. And I had this achievement card that you can mark at the end of the session or whatever. यार pandemic कब खत्म होता है? When the situation improves, nobody knows for the time being, right? You cannot stop the kids from learning. You cannot hamper their growth process. This is one thing that's going to accelerate their growth process. This is a treasure trove of craft things. I mean, even I was super attracted to it. Like, I can genuinely set up my own play school. Look at this stuff. Yeah, it's amazing. This butterfly, so beautiful. The child is going to be super attracted to it. My nephew and niece were like in love with it. So it is all inclusive. Everything is in this kit. Everything that you can possibly think of to keep your child preoccupied, to make them learn, to keep them busy. It's 100% awesomeness. यार मेरा बस चलता मैं ही कर लेती ये सब. So I hope you guys found this helpful, and I hope that you're going to go ahead and learn even more on Eurokids' website, on their Facebook, on their Instagram. You can reach out to them, you can reach out to me, and I can clear up whatever queries you have. And guys, make the most of this pandemic. That's what I'm suggesting. Just make the most of it, and at least for your toddlers, for your young ones, this is definitely my verdict and my word. You can write it down.
क्या कर रहे हो आप?
अरे मतलब चेक कर रही हूँ यार, ये मैं अच्छी लग रही थी एक्टिविटी. आई कैन ट्राई नो.